Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the damaged area thoroughly. This removes contaminants that prevent adhesion. Once done, sand light rust or rough edges with 800-1000 grit to feather the paint, then wipe with solvent so primer bonds. Make sure to mask adjacent panels tightly with 3M tape and paper to protect finishes. Shake the Tesla touch-up bottle for about 60 seconds and test spray on cardboard. This ensures consistent flow and color match before you apply to the car. You move into primer and base coats now. Do thin, controlled layers so you avoid drips and orange peel. After primer cures to the tack level, lightly scuff with 1500 grit and clean. This gives mechanical adhesion for the base color. Spray the Tesla base in 3-4 light passes, overlapping about 60%. Keep a steady 6-8 inch distance and fluid motion so the film builds evenly. Once the base is uniform, allow proper flash time before clear coat. You finish with clear coat to protect and blend the repair. Apply 2 to 3 wet-on-wet coats, waiting about 10 minutes between coats so solvents flash but layers still bond. Let the clear cure 24 hours, then wet sand with 2000-3000 grit to remove orange peel and polish to match gloss. If you get a run, don't panic. Wait 30 minutes, wet sand the run with 1500 grit to level, clean, and reapply thin clear coats. This fixes texture without ruining the color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.